Although you do the by crew or
second half.
now I wish it were short. Mo, what's your next full moon hike?
Full moon.
Full moon hike.
I'm going to Angel's Landing November 8th.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
And then,
That's an amazing.
but it's not nighttime though,
Oh,
because they close at 7, remember?
gotcha.
Yeah, I was looking my way up there.
I want to do like a winter hike to the Mount Charleston Peak when the snow is there.
Come stand right there.
Done some snowshoeing up there.
Huh?
Snowshoeing?
Snowshoeing,
That's it.
See the difference of you just standing there? Oh, and that too. John, just stand right there. Thank you. It hides that exposing death fear I have of falling 5 feet. Thank you. So what were you saying, December what?
I want to do like Mount Charleston Peak in the snow
Ooh, let's do it.
because that'll burn. Every time I do Mount Charleston Peak, the next 4 or 5 days, my body keeps burning.
Oh,
Like-
yeah.
Burning calories. It's- I think I sent you the pictures, right? I pinged you on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay, good. You saw it. Okay, good. But I don't know if I sent it on Instagram or what. I think I sent it to you somewhere. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Did I airdrop you? No.
No,
I think
because I don't have iPhone.
then I think I sent you somewhere. I
But
don't know
you
where.
put
Oh, on Amazon Photos. Sorry. You joined the Amazon Photos, right?
yeah.
I could not send you the video. Those are with me, so I'm gonna send you your favorite.
I just downloaded it all and I see.
But those are all high definition photos. But you'll get the videos. I forgot to send you the videos.
Yeah.
I'll send you on WhatsApp. Yeah. You got your message, right?
Yep.
On WhatsApp. Okay. Then I don't trust this.
I'm gonna go that way.
Yeah, go ahead. You're the right path.
Sorry. Yeah, let's do another one. Half short.
Natalie, you do host events, right?
Pardon?
You do host hiking events? Do you host?
Oh, yeah, with Weekday Wanderers.
Do you do like Wilson?
No, they're the group Weekday Wanderers. Some of them are afraid of hikes and don't like to scramble too much.
Wilson needs scrambling. Wilson needs scrambling.
Hey, oh.
One that we haven't done in a while is Juniper Peak.
That too. I wanna like do the peaks up there.
After Bridge Mountain 2 years ago, I said,
So tomorrow they're doing White Pinnacle,
oh yeah, I love white.
but John is not hosting that.
But I can't do Sundays.
Someone else is hosting. I don't know.
There we go.
Oh, straight. I don't know how I came here.
You can do that.
We're not going to leave you.
You're going to be in the sun pretty soon, so if you want it cool, take the breather in the shade.
Yeah.
The only recommendation is don't listen to anything I say.
I really need it. That's why I was telling. There was a decision whether or not we should just stay in Asia or still come back, and I was like, I need my hiking. That's feel like what I'm doing. Oh yeah, you can do so. All they eat is meat. Oh, oh my that's God. Right. For certain sake. Oh my God.
Are they cheering for us? I see a crowd. I don't know. There's a crowd in the parking lot. Yeah, I rode around. Hey.
Ow!
You scared us.
You scared us. Good job, Mo. Some kind of animal up there.
This is an animal. The elusive Mo. His call is heard in Red Rock.
Oh my gosh. I did that, so we were testing the walkie-talkies. Aloha. We were real close to each other, and I'm like,
Oh yeah, I was there. You know, I haven't hiked it since I went to permit.
I did, but that was like 4 years ago, or 2 years ago.
I liked doing it that one year in February. It was so great.
You can go all the way up. Okay. Or you can come the way I'm going.
Alright. You can go that careful.
The way I'm going is the Sissy way.